All right, guys, here we are, day 3 of our lab. I have my students / children here to do our egg experiment. Guys, what day of the lab is this?
3.
3. And what have we done so far?
We put the egg in a jar and we filled the jar with vinegar, and now the shell came off and it feels like
Well, let's take it out of the jar. So if you could spill it over the sink and take the egg out of the jar. And then you have to be delicate when you're handling it. Okay? Because no, only one person can handle it at a time.
the shell went off.
Here, I'll take that.
The egg is like really mushy when the shell is off.
Okay, do you want to rinse it a little bit? Here, rinse it underneath the sink very lightly. Okay. Good job. Okay. Now, compare it to...
Now the egg looks really clear.
Okay. So tell me what you observe, right?
It got a little bigger.
It got a little bigger. Here, compare it
And
to...
it feels so slimy. Look how big it is compared to that. And look how yellow it is compared to that. And so mushy. And look at the shell. Does it have a shell on it?
You tell me.
No, it doesn't have a shell on it. And
No.
it's like a different color. It's like oranges. Like yeah, it's so mushy. Light orange and with some light, really light orange. And it's so mushy. It's like squeezing it.
Yes.
But don't squeeze it too hard because it might pop. And
Exactly.
then you have to start the whole thing over.
Okay. So everything that you guys just said would be added to a lab report. Now, which section of a lab report would it go into? I'll give you some choices. Would it go into the materials section? Would it go into the procedure section? Or would it go into the results section?
Results.
The results section is correct. And every observation that you just made would be included. You could clean it some more. Every one of those results will go into the observations, go into the results section.
And you will want to clean it a little if you, because there's like some bubbles. All that vinegar.
All right, so you guys watched the video yesterday, the Science Guys video. Do you remember what's the next procedure or what's the next step in the lab?
We put the corn flour in.
Is it corn flour? Read the bottle.
Corn syrup.
Okay. And what are we going to put it into?
We put it into the jar. The cup.
The glass. Okay, so we're going to delicately first put our egg in.
I can't fit my hand in.
I know, you got to be very careful. We don't want it to explode. Now, what are you going to do?
I'm going to pour this in and let's see what's going to happen.
Well, what do you think, Hannah? Do you know why this expanded? Do you know what made it bigger?
The vinegar. The water comes into it and it gets bigger and bigger.
Exactly.
From the side guys should have taught you that.
Yes.
That's why it looks more like a really light orange.
Yeah. So what went into it?
Water.
Water went into it. Now, we're going to put corn syrup over the egg. What's going to come out of the egg?
The water.
The water. So the water went in during the first step, and now the water is going to come out. Does the sugar go in? No. Does the protein go in?
No. Yes.
No. Does the electrolytes go in? No.
Only the water.
Only the water molecules. How come, Abby? Do you know how come only the water molecules?
Because it's so tiny.
Yes, they're so tiny. Protein is too big. Sugar is too big. And electrolytes are too big. So the only thing that moves... Yes, pour it in. All right, so now you would add this to your procedure step, pouring it over the top. Now, just until it's submerged. Do you know what submerged means? Stop.
Stop.
Just until it's submerged. So do you know what the word submerged means?
You have to make it over the egg so it gets out.
Yeah.
So I think we need
So it is submerged and it is all over the egg. That's what you're saying. Submerged is all over the egg. Now, we need to choose from our drawer
a spoon to mix.
a spoon. We're not gonna mix it. We're actually gonna pick the oldest spoon we have. Which one is the oldest? That looks like it could bend pretty easily. You wanna try to bend it in half? Just bend the bottom part. So you're gonna have to take it and start bending it. Oh my goodness.
Let's take turns.
I know, let's take turns. This is
Abby first.
maybe your parents could help you with this. Okay. Be careful and take turns trying to bend it.
Somebody's doing it good.
That's really good.
And just turn and then back to me.
Okay, you're going the wrong way. Bend it bend it that way. So so the neck of the spoon, gets cut. Can I do it? Can I give it a try?
And then me back to me.
I think I got it. Oh yeah. Okay. All right.
That's really
So,
It's hard to do something.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be very careful, okay? We're gonna put the spoon and press it down into the egg without breaking it. And if you do break it, no problem. You could just start the experiment over again. But that's it, you're done. Oh, no, keep it down. We're gonna hold it there. Yes, keep it in there. And now we're gonna leave it here. How long do we leave it here for?
2 days.